If you want to change the sky in your Roblox game, I'll show you how to do it in Roblox Studio in a very simple way. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to the channel. Changing the sky in Roblox is actually very easy. After opening Roblox Studio, the first thing you need to do is open the Toolbox menu. If the toolbox is not visible yet, click on Window and then select Toolbox. This will open the tool on your screen. Inside the toolbox, in the first tab called Creator Store, you can download many different assets created by other developers. This makes it much easier to add things to your game. As you can see in the Explorer tab, the sky settings are located inside the lighting service. To change the current sky and use a different one, go back to the toolbox and search for Skybox. You'll notice there are thousands of different Skybox options available. You can also use the filters at the top to find exactly the type of sky you want. For example, if you want a desert-themed sky, you can search for desert and choose the one you like the most. Once you find the Skybox you want, simply click on it and it will automatically be added to your game. After that, you'll see the new Skybox inside the lighting section in Explorer. You can delete the old Skyboxes and keep only the one you want to use. And that's how you change the sky in Roblox Studio. Leave a like and subscribe if this tutorial helped you.